Welcome back to the class, okay, everyone. So basically, we have been through to the just now, whereby we have go to the bookings and all that, whereby you all know how to book the facilities, you know how to post notices and all that, which is the first LO. Whereby we going to the LO2. The LO2 basically we will be going into how do you actually, besides you book the facilities and all that, right? You are able to actually purchase products or services. Products or services examples such as like what you need in your residence house, individual condo. Example, aircon servicing, you know, the products FMCG, such as like Milo and all that to be delivered to your doorsteps. Okay, or basically maybe you need a locksmith or whatsoever. So all this, besides booking, facilities and all that, is a one-stop app whereby you can purchase all the products in the app itself, as well as also if you need help of locksmith, plumbing and all that, all this is available in the app. Rather than you download so many apps, you can just only have one app. So basically, now LO2 will be only focusing on the Heimat and services. Okay? And then Heimat and what is available in the Heimat and services. Heimat and services for High Life, there will be a combination of aircon servicing, handyman, barbecue, grocery, as well as also festive product promotions. Okay, I will go one by one. Aircon servicing inside the app itself is actually allows you to buy aircon servicing, and then the terms and conditions actually stated on the app itself. Once you purchase $19.90, it will within 2 to 3 days they will contact you and service to have a booking time allocation for you to come over to your house to book the facilities, to service your aircon. Sorry for that. So for handyman sometimes you need 24/7. Example, plumbing, electrician, or whatever, and all the locksmith. Suddenly you forget. Example, you forget to bring key. You stay outside, you forget to bring key, open the door, so you need locksmith. So it's 24/7. So you can't expect 2 to 3 days, right? So all the telephone numbers is in there. From the app itself, it provide you information, direct click, and you can direct call as well. Okay. The last few last one, the barbecue is there will be different vendors whereby you book a barbecue pit. Example, you already book all the facilities. You definitely need barbecue food. That's the reason why we have all these services. Services for you. Okay. For grocery shopping, there will be free delivery. Once you buy, right, there will be terms and conditions. Within 7 to 10 days, it will be delivered to your doorsteps. Okay. And the last part, there will be festive promotions such as like durian, mooncake, which is at 50% off, or even like durian sometimes, and also like hampers you want to buy for your festive seasons and all that. Okay. Any question by anyone until here? No? Okay. I'll proceed to the next. There will be 3 stages of downloading the app and how to purchase. I will be going through with you. So the first stage is the pre-installation. Second stage I will be going through is how to register yourself in the app. And the final stage will be how you purchase, because you need to learn how to purchase, right? So I will be going through 3 different stages with every one of you. So let's go through the first stage. Okay. First stage, whereby you have your mobile phone, definitely you have an app. If even Apple is App Store or Google Play, which is you use the another platform. So for the search, you need to go in and search for the High Life Interactive. Okay, and then once you looks at this, right, you're just able to just install, and then there is a welcome screen. Okay. Anybody got any question on this? If not, then I will move to next. Yes.
Can I book like I want to clean my aircon? Then is this app can let me book how to clean my aircon? Like I want to come and clean.
Yes, you are able to purchase. You need to actually purchase first, and then someone will call you within the time frame 2 to 3 days, which mentioned at the terms and condition. You need to read the terms and condition carefully, and then after that you purchase, then they will call you and service to you. Then you can book a time with them, but you cannot schedule a time inside the app. But they will call you to arrange a time. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. No problem. Any question by anyone before I proceed? No? Okay. The second stage is to sign up. The sign up is that basically when you have the screen, right, then you need to go to the sign up, whereby you need to provide all your input your information, which is the input your email, mobile, and verification code. After that, you will have you will go back to the main screen, whereby you just log in what you have registered. You have registered, provide your username and password, right? You just need to log in again because this one is registered and this one is a login page which you provide your information and then you're at the main page already. So this is the registration, the sign up part is done. Okay, this is the second stage. Any question for second stage? Okay. If not, then I will move on to the final stage, which is the purchase services and goods. Whereby you, in the main page, right, you can actually select a lot of services here. There will be like aircon, whatever just now what I explained in the previous slide, aircon servicing, barbecue and all that. You can actually select from here. And then from that, right, once you select, basically for me, currently now I'm putting select the Heimat. Heimat is the FMCG products. You can actually buy whatever beverage, you know, and all the like promotion items and even the personal care, Japanese frozen and all that. Once you click any of these, you'll be going to the FMCG items, whichever category that you want, and then you just select, just press what you want to buy, and then you just read the terms and conditions and all that, whether this price is okay for you or not, whether some people, they doesn't like it or whatsoever, then, and then you can just buy. Once you direct, press the icon to buy, right, then it will be a checkout page. Of course, you need to provide your credit card information and all that just to check out and buy. Okay. Any question for this final stage to purchase the goods and services? If not, then we'll be moving on with some activities. Okay, so activities. I believe this is going to be great because there will be inside the app itself. There will be $1 item, half carton drinks. There will be $3 tissue paper sent directly to your house, which I believe those ABC store, which you go grocery offline currently now, they are not selling at $1 and $3. So I hope you can enjoy this activity. So basically, I will be grouping you 2 to 3 in the group, and then you will need to actually install the app, which actually you are in the L2 you already have, and then register your details. So each group, I will be giving you a different case study. So maybe you need to buy different items. There will be guidance for you as well. And then explain one thing that you learned from the experience. So I just need what are the things that you already learned. Okay? Let's me group.
What is the app name again?
The app name is...
No, never write.
The app name is from High Life Interactive. Okay, it's in here. It's High Life Interactive.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So basically, you can go to your main screen, right? So from that, you search for High Life Interactive, spelled correctly, and then from the main screen itself, you actually can download the app. Okay. Any question by anyone? Yep. Everybody is clear, right? Yeah. Okay. So I just go back to the activity itself. Maybe I will repeat again because many there's questions. So register each group will be given different case study, and then one group leader to present the answer from that, and then just explain one thing what you have learned. Okay. Maybe I just number yourself. I'm a 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
3. 1, 2,
3. 1, 2,
3.
Okay. Maybe 1 we go to this spot, 2 we go to at the back, and then 3 at this side. Okay. Three.
You was bring a mobile phone.
Yeah, sorry, you must bring your mobile phone with you. Yeah, I mean one of the leader or whatever, you just bring your mobile phone just to show, because you need to show, each group will be given different case study, and then you just need to show whether you managed to search. Basically based on your case study on the paper itself, right? You just need to do the instructions. Like example, some people might have searched Milo. Some people will like you buy 100 plus at 990, so you're able to actually buy it. It's okay. I mean, like a lot of ABC other stores, they don't actually have this kind of price. So different case study. So you just need to go as per your case study. Okay. Heimat, yes. Okay, so Heimat, and then you go back. At the back, you just refer back to the instructions. Yes. Okay.
Not this. Try.
Oh yeah. Are you able to get it? Yes. Yeah. Then you search for. Yeah, beverage.
100 plus, right?
You can search for the promotion.
180 is the one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, you just get it. Okay, later you show.
$1 only.
Okay. Yes. Anything else?
Are we doing okay? Don't know whether we are right on track.
Oh, you just want to.
Yeah, are we okay?
Yes. Yes, you're okay.
Can we go?
Yes. You just show like that.
You
You can see what you
You're very
want.
now.
Yes. Okay, and then you need to explain, okay, after you manage to show, right, the last one, you just explain one thing you learn from the answer. You need to explain on the board. That's the reason why one thing you learn, what you learn. Yeah, let's we all discuss and then what you learn. An example I can provide, which besides you understand booking facility, right? So provide convenient for you to just to buy as well, one-stop solution, what you can learn.
Okay, so it's easy, right? So I would say
Besides you able to search the answer, remember the last point, which is explain one thing you learn from the answer. So you need to write on the board, explain one thing what you learn.
Oh, I learned how to press lah.
learn to press.
Learn to press.
Learn
how to navigate.
Learn to install.
Okay, good
I learned that there is a minor
Example, right, is the just now I provide the answer to another team, which is besides you booking facilities, right, you save a lot of space, your mobile space, which is only one app, you can do a lot of stuff. Yeah, and then provide you all the information and all that. Yeah,
Very good promotion.
only 1 point lah, basically.
1 point only, 1 point.
Oh,
Okay, 2 minutes left. One point only, ah. Everybody done? Okay. If everybody done, just go back to your seat. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, just go back to your seat first. Yeah, just go back to your seat. Okay. Okay, just wait. Okay, this team, who is from this team? Any leader who would like to come over to just present? Yeah, any leader? Okay. So what is your case study?
Okay, my case study is we were asked to try to purchase 100 plus.
Okay. So are you able to get it?
Yes, I was able
Okay.
to get it. So what we did is that we went to the promotion tab and then go to the Heimat.
Yeah.
And then we were able to see the 100 plus for 990.
Okay.
1 carton of 24 cans. Wow.
Okay.
Cheap, right? Cheap.
What are the learnings that you are?
We find out because I was going through the other items and I realized that there are a lot of good deals inside there. Value for money. items that we can probably buy for our groceries, daily groceries, and also the consumption.
Okay.
So yeah, it's good.
Okay,
And
good.
easy to use as well. It's quite easy.
Okay, thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
thank you. So, this team, any?
Okay, we supposed to buy Pokka drinks.
Okay.
And besides finding Pokka
Is
drinks,
there any, your mobile phone, you managed
battery
to?
finished already. Flat.
Oh, okay.
Never mind.
Okay.
Yeah. Then from there we learn how to find other discounts, which is good also.
Okay,
Ah.
okay, that's good.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. So, we just go to the last team.
So we had to buy Milo.
Mhm.
So it was very easy to use, very intuitive.
Okay.
So we bought a Milo pink Nutri up. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so basically, the summary of this case study is that besides you book facilities and all that, it actually provides you a very good and convenient, whereby you just go into the app and you can basically do almost everything, rather than sometimes you need to download several apps, or even you need to do it manually, or you go it offline to purchase the products, but all that you easily available in the app, just via a finger touch, that's all. Okay, I'll go to the last part, which is the debrief. Okay, what have you learned using the app to purchase goods or services? Any volunteer? Any volunteer? What have you learned using the app to purchase goods or services?
Shop at your fingertips.
Okay, good. And then the second one, the second point is, what are the advantages when using app to purchase goods and services? What are the advantages?
Convenience.
Okay, good. Maybe perhaps anybody, the rest want to try, rather than only one student who just
Get
try?
promotion.
Promotion?
You can get promotion.
Yes.
Discount.
Yes. You can compare the discounts also as well, right? Yeah. Okay. The third point, how are you going to apply this in future? I mean, when you already learn all this app, you book, you buy $1, $3, not just only buy, right? But what you can use in future. I mean, any volunteer would like to try this last question? How can you apply this?
You can
Share with other people.
Yeah, you can share with
Share
other
with our
people.
friends about this, the wonderful apps.
Yes, yes, good. Basically, besides sharing, right, you also can make sure you make it a habit. Okay, make it a habit in future that instead of you going to the ABC store or whatever offline store to buy, you rather just within a click of yourself, and then you just can buy and then make it delivered to your doorstep. Okay, that's all from my end.
Okay, thank you.